baza tereze mu nakatera musaba baza tereze makatera atakastoro ka
kateka byona nchimanya kingwa mazima ni wanje nakukuza kushanganiwe niwe wenkodyo mbonko nombe tekateko urukubuza ngambiriwe uniwe wenko shemereire tihine ndijo ane mama yanzibire kabyemanyiza bitungo wenkabe cyo rukwenda.
Yes, all right. It's your boy Sparks and nyine Savage camera. This is Nkole Media TV. Nkaburizu, nutsanga YouTube, nutsanga TikTok, nutsanga Facebook, everywhere. So Nkole Media all over the place. So, tikushaka kutambura nyinka imbanye nangu basize habantu nyowe face mwagimanyirire konka hati ya right by my side nyine ho face iyo muntu na water face yeti isi Nkole Media. Simon entwakwashira Nkole Media.
Ninasemera kubugana. Nasemera uko baha Nkole Media by the way.
Yakora abakutureba.
Abakureba Nkole Media mwebare twabakira mwebare kurikiza mwebare kutureba ndyaho gunu murundi izagana music ngaburije twa.
Of course.
Manyeta Simon N.
Sura politics.
Yeah.
So Simon N ko yabagamba hano yakanturi to discussing about music of course. Yarukindi. So Simon N the last time we were here njata wiri music mukaga.
Mezi mukaga wawa.
Araboherukana ko ine kesongoreki.
Kampeze kushoza ninye nkwine yabe kuratire tora so
tore cyo tarakozere
abatera abatera ni imporeke bine by the
way. So this is Simon N. So ubu warga kasiga watsubiza mahora agaricira habuno kutubabara mpaka
tanagaruka
hata bwaga twakubanza mo
ubu nagaruka
wataragarisa ati bigamu kusashira ibanza
abo nagaruka ncoreke cyo nabaraganisa nyine kutishikiriza ati nyine cyeshonguro kiri latest stats kuko nabaze ngo tinkwenda kwemereza so njine kiri ampamba cyetashi babe shinoje matwa
shi project
arokesho ngo shi ngakore wanje tumazi mining corona aja ntoke.
So abandebere TikTok ndukwigo mushijogu the truth is that namugwaho nabare kumundondera kunga kunaje kusangana shanga kandi tumujenyaha nashanga kandi numutuze
yo waha
so ukasigatira ganza project ya shi so project ya shi tubine twabanza right now tagambira abindi shi audio kakorwa video ya kuroha
audio ngajikwa na Mr Bruno video ya korwa Biko
Bruno chata kwenda Bruno manje kai mangu Bruno yakuzire namantu Bruno ndongo yajurigire mu kandi usatagarikire busi
mu ndongo naje ushawe tokujihura
ngine how was it working with Bruno like mwamu yo mu studio takubateka akavimbo kogira ngo ni Erda.
There wasn't any complaint by the way kagendekesha ngo twachikora cyawa successfully ndio mwekara kaba satisfied
gomazo so wargayo wanankana
agayo Bruno
wazo wa Biko kora video majishutingira iri nyanze keke ankahina rebe
bwana mukono gwa Victoria kati ya mukono gwa Victoria
so gajishutingira Kampala
somewhere
Simon ene jata kuskora video ya jushutingira Kampala but this is a heavy project kandi there's one thing china konzera video yawe no jirango video will beyond here ine interesting video zaba Nigeria zaba Tanzania zaba Diamond kunka it's now funny kujanga hati today biria
some guys were complaining ngo simanyi ngushi kwa mureba mushi
ashi bakana barenda mushi
mukashi by the orumu no kujangu bakomenga masimanyi twa mureba face bachire konga. That is how I wanted to do the concept and
so it was intended. So what is the song about?
The song is a love song. It's a love song.
Is it something? Is it a real story? Is it derived from a real experience?
It can be a real story because nyo muntu nanye it's a love song. Nyo muntu ncheshongwa rukundo nanye ni nkunda washenga so it can be a real story or it can be a dedication or wasakuchi dedicating nyo muntu so niyo life ina benyeshongwa iri kwatagana rukunda ko wahura lyrics neza love
so kiri yaho turi yaho nyuma wao kache stakashirari shi yaho tukatashi ano sakatashiro so dikenza akakoresha bakwita ngo open verse open verse challenge
Yeah.
ya practical abana bajugwa muba OBNOS bitokutabe tujyaho mu Western Uganda twafuna muri representatives that was you Simon N amena our Chigezi brother Snaz. So anyway, how was it jumping on that tutaka Jirombi yakora sere wao? How was it jumping? Because challenge kazabura mu challenge yazabura so how was it like ukora challenge ya Eddy Kenzo kura ngo omucheso ngoro ikigira kare Eddy Kenzo? How was it?
Because ngabanza nakikunda ngomweshongozi we no muhandiki wakuzo mukesho kusitama ngoma no banze gikunda so kabanza nakikunda nashamuna nazo mu studio na recording verse yanje nagitekayo. I thank you guys by the way kujya ngokesha mukakikunda mwafollowinga amwe bakikora mu challenge
bana bagakikunda munonga
ate kikanyeka ngo abantu makunda music yo nyanko
abantu music yo nyanko bakikunda yerimo everything and that is how it has been over the time. So tabe turi yaho nango cyasinje no kutuma nakubuze kibuze iki mu comments think manye bano cyagazi from akari mu comments. Yes, I know you guys were not competing ninga buri mwe tujango naza kabanza kwebuza kuzagikora mwena hakora challenges but we fan wena hari atura na comparing ataro fan ata comparing zana comparing na domestic abana bajango ngo Simon ngo ya Simon yarigame ya Snaz ngo ngo ya Snaz yarigame ya Simon like ukazirewezo comments ninga tokusoma comments
ati orfani orfani wanombuza nkondijo mu
anyo ngise ngoboza because kikabaho
because wanombuza nkafani
iyo perspectives zibiri
it's interesting wanombuza nkafani nchincho ekangu iwe ine side yo kutekinga twe
no
yo kuwazirewezo mbiri ukari mu side eri kubasa
mwena mukakoraje as a neutral because media no kuba neutral defending no muntu tar haset what in right na kujya itongana but nevertheless so naskaziboni so you comments so kazirewa ninga tarazireba how did you feel? Didn't you feel some type of way tabana banda kuzana wa ninga shi
anyway ejo challenge waweza kujireba anyway tingu za kujamu kujangu konga ejo challenge waweza kujireba ni ono kireba ngo challenges hizi ibiri zisupusha nuri muyange is the best, you know. It was the best, you see.
Sama
really challenge musically it's the best.
So ni watu wa backing abafans abao babakinga na
abanje mbine abafanzi bawe mbajya ngukiriya ngwe cyangwa simanyi ngwe cyo bakisinga biki not trying to compare but nabona ureba ngo nahumba kirego cyaje kikakiboni only that no wasa kushanga maybe uri wemba supporting ine abe yabari
die hard
but then nitara kugira ngo gwiro gwinji. There is a saying that says kugira ngo eriko jangu tochi ne muruka ha tarwizo so izo bakuru kuira chicho kango right ya tochi ne
umwirima ati umwirima
it's time for the sun to shine now.
Somo ara umwirima wako no itaga tochi ara umusana tochi no
takuja na gweza kuya chicho kango tochi aho right ne tarako
what's gomoroka yona akachenga mukasigaze but
generally the
challenge was nice.
It was nice.
Did Eddy Kenzo respond?
Yeah, he responded, but I just saw the inbox of I can fake account of very, but I hope it is his.
Yeah, how did you feel, man? I
was the happiest, by the way.
It's a big milestone, man. Yeah. It's a big milestone. So, abatako ma that challenge yitu don tugamba shuma wansaho ronda practical Eddy Kenzo featuring Snaz imana ko tugenda ninga featuring Simon N. So timanya ba ha YouTube ninga kazeka TikTok
aho
YouTube twakwikiriza ngweza bose
ati ndakigereza kuba gari nyonga kukikora ngatwara kunyumirwa nkanye like and YouTube nja kuteka kinde kiri more official so ngajya nti no the main nikanta kashiteka umukiki yakayeta account yanje uzumbi
musana kwatsa copyright akakana nangu abararabeho abeno bayahereza official nangani so nabasa kwatsa copyright ka YouTube yawe
for it not being official nchonta rajiteri ya YouTube konga TikTok.
So Syria, this artist alikutaka kuba today you are in Kampala, the next day you are here, so graphic like movements za wazirambara Kampala nojiri kora music kare ninga nojiro mbya ngomuntu.
No, we don't win most artists no buri yo mweshongozi, but you also have some other kind of work yo kuba nokore kubasa kuba nekoretero kubaho babikina kiyo kari yo kuba nokora outside music. So omusentro nimba ndiyo nani nkora work outside music. Now fine nimbasa promoting music yanje because people around me abinkubande nabo they know I do music. Most of them are my supporters, they are my fans. Konka music abo kujya munyeshongoro nyankore imana kuno munongo bwiro bwingi music are because mbo bakura jori nyankore.
So does that mean do you have a team you work with?
Yeah,
yo kusiga kuno mbara ubo kubatariyo.
I've got a very big team with my friends.
Yeah, Simon N Music. So you never best here anytime batarusa busa.
Yeah, uri kuba nanyenda waje wabugana nkumba team yanje ukashangajwe t-shirt yanje ukabugana nka big brand no man. Big brand
abatakumata mwine nyuma ya set.
Big brand yeah, ari nyuma ya set so wambugana no wambugana. Yeah.
So nogo Simon N shigo kitambara aho nawe atakaye bangweje nkore media abantu bamwizi DM Swaga inga so twakubasa kwita ito tumarika DM Swaga batima no imana none bamanyanka bataringa yarona banzo isi abantu bamwizi tanto bashaho bagize ubwanyu muhagire umushaha witugu no mushaha ubone agambo nyanko yerushikire no mushiza
umwami DM Swaga abo kumayidi DM Swaga abo kumayidi bataringa ya Ronald na ndogwa cancer
C5
na ndogwa cancer C5 mu sub county so umuhagire ntubashaho bagize ubwanyu bless.
So kiyo stambara na Simon N. So Simon N what you know tugambira about njere ku bori kuna kunuya so like ko kuburi ho Kampala get time to interact with the artists from that side, like how is the industry here and there, like
comparing them comparing them
like ever kuriya bitaro kunne biha
okay music kijana nenda kushana tuzakigera njawuro tuzakigera intane serho uwo munyango itane kweshongwa kuyana aho kurikiriye cyo kuna kontine fans banje kuri ineba fans banje abo kumpaje abo kuri so chikoreka if they can support me from that side chikoreka ngatu umuntu tugezaho kwatagana we are blending now
baza tereza na kapera muzaba tereza na kapera atakastoro
kwa kateka byona nchimanya ingwa mazima ni wanje nakukuza kushanganiwe niwe wenkodyo mbonko nombeteka teko urukubuza ngambiriwe uniwe wenko shemereire tihine ndijo nane mama yanzibire kabyemanyiza bitungo wenkabe cyo rukwenda.
You guys, this guy know that there's something about your voice. Voice ya were very natural. Talk to tampoto tioni wagwa. Talk sounding it's the same way you sound when you are doing it live here.
It's nice kana we by the producer mana amugambanya tunomanya.
Ite tine tarabatamu.
Atakaza moto tune the case irakagomera ngo
keep it up. Aminza beshongo ntumuhororo achizakarata. Ata yebuza kasati murka tabetu rasili ndiyo katwa ta hostinga kamilioni.
Mbaganda abadi.
So icheshongoro cha always. Why do you think the song was not ever given attention?
I don't know.
But you know teka
Okachur, but you never shared it with people, man.
Very nice song.
You never shared it.
So
sharing niwe sharing batayi bawe.
Sitakaje no kuzahari. Shoma ho kacha YouTube. Ronda icyo shamba chitamuna Simon N always. That is after you have watched this 1 hours she. Ina ko ndona always. No mandi kuchaka kujibisa.
By the way, nanubucyakubekesha ngoro murishi natunanyenda kugambaho shini bageshongora kubaba mwe kimanya.
Of course wrong risk ngabo abozo wona babihiremeza.
Abozo ino nawe nashanga kugira ngo akanagira ngo nyehire yo kutongana na nembwa ejo ngo tugamba kutongana turimo kunyiga necyo kubonana
na nyakambere mangu ni nyehire yo kutongana nembwa
nyehire yo kutungana nembwa se cyurutegura mpaka kura kuri
kutunga as in keeping
okutungembwa kugira ngo fune security. By the way, that song is very nice. You go check it out. Muchirebe bacheta she
Simon N
by SIMON Simon N.
By the way, N aho nakabanza confusing. Is it Simon N or it's Simon EN?
Simon N.
That's the real pronunciation.
Yeah, the real pronunciation is Simon N.
So
ni njarogo no kujibatea merukoreka like the real name. So ni Simon N. Go check it out, brother.
So your last words to your fans.
My last words, mwebare kureba Nkole Media, twashemerwa kubashanga, twashemerwa okubaja cyo kuba
kugamba bona baganira.
Twashemerwa kugamba bona imwe. You go subscribe, follow, sangana social media handles zanje zona ni Simon N. Mutukuratire, we shall give you the best. Ngoko nabe nakuraganise ni mutaro kwemereza ndayemerezera.
So the next time to expecting
era nagaruka kubagambira mu nzira ya
bro katsijiri basa tuje barashashara basigerinde shata yakunda mabanzo. So abakutureba that is Simon N for you yabagambira ariko nabagambira hano about his song, latest song she kandi about his project akora tasa yangoje kwa zagaruka nayo then yakiriyaringa air about the lyrics yabagira ngo cishongoro tinyehire yo kutungana nembwa tinyehire yo kutungana nembwa tunga like ngoko kutungente. So
then chorus nayo biri kujikwata
najira mwencho kandi
yeye shaziremo kutu
she ni she
shaziremo kweta shi iwe mwanyangu hato inehi ndihi ahi machine
ninjanga batoshe bakore na kariri video aho mishaho
nje ndije gukora.
So ubona Simon N twambuzaho yanatugambira about his bitwarebere bya open verse challenge imwe abantu mu guceza kumcomparinga with our brother from another mother but still the same region nabyo yabigambaho. So wargaha genda subscribing to his music ari Simon N, YouTube Simon N, Facebook Simon N, all over the place. Dr. Nkole Media everywhere. Amazina na Sparks na bantu ambaye na Savage, then you get to see us when we see you. Keep it Nkole.